On the weekly chart, we're going to take a look at Nvidia. We're trading back in this channel that we were previously trading in here in between November and December of last year. So about a month and a half, we were trading in this channel that we're currently in right now. And that channel is going to be this 173 to this 185 area. So we had a low that basically more or less bounced off of that this week. We had a high in here that more or less rejected that resistance up here this week as well. And we're currently sitting at 183 right now. So what are we looking at here going forward here on this weekly chart, and how we're going to close out this overall candle, since we do only have one more trading session left to close out this candle in here? What we're going to be watching is going to be that 185 level. That's going to be key. So if we continue the momentum that we had in here today, we technically ended green, basically flat. But if we continue that little momentum, that run up that we had in here towards the end of the day, today we're going to see if we can continue that tomorrow. A little bit of a run up, gap up. We can get above that 185 hold. Then we're looking at that 190 and then the 195 area right here. That's that white line. Now, if we do end up rejecting that 185 or rejecting where we're at right now, the 183 level, then basically nothing's really going to stop us until we get to 173. So we're going to see what kind of intraday supports we're going to grab in here on the way down. But it looks like on the weekly chart, your main support down here is going to be that 173 area. And again, this is the same channel and that same support that we had back in November of December of last year. Anything outside that 173, it's going to be this 50-day SMA or this 164 area, whichever one does come first. Our RSI right now is basically neutral, so nothing to worry about on that front. We're going to see if we can get a little pop in volume here and carry on this momentum that we had today and close out this candle overall on a green note. Now, as far as our implied volatility goes, a relatively light compared to itself and how rich these options usually trade, but your IB rank in here is sitting at 20. You have a $3 expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration. Monday's expiration around $5. Wednesday, you're looking right around a $7 expected move. So let's see what happens in here. We're going to see how the overall world global news is going to affect not only the markets, but also the chips themselves. And we're going to see how that intercorrelates with our volatility in here. So take all that into consideration as we're looking to close out this candle tomorrow. And we're going to see how long it takes us to get out of this channel that we were previously in November, December for about a month and a half. So that's what we're looking at here for NVIDIA. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.